Coaches, ano, napabilib ba kayo sa performance nila? Wala, papailing na lang si Coach Julie. Ano, Coach Julie? Okay ka pa?
Wow, I was just trying to catch my breath. Both of you, girls, grabe kayo. Sobrang proud ni Coach Billy sa inyo kung alam nyo lang. Grabe, I'm just really, speechless right now kasi I'm trying to find the right words para kung ano yung i-comment ko dahil sobrang galing ninyong pareho. As in, out of this world. Grabe kayo. Congratulations.
Coach Billy, grabe. Ewan ko. Ang galing mo. Ano ba yan?
Ako wala akong kinalaman dito. And I'm thankful na sobrang naging blessed na lang ako na binigyan ako ni Lord ng 2 bagets na ganito. Because honestly, both of you, girls, you really shined exceptionally, separately. Yana, ikaw, you shined your own way tonight. Yung unang bigkas pa lang ng lyrics mo, tagos ka agad sa puso namin. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako dahil you really gave this emotional performance para sa aming lahat. So, Yana, great job. So proud of you. Kay Aliyah naman, sobrang, mark my words, one day, makikilala ka, hindi lang sa bansa natin, sa buong mundo, yung boses mo magiging special. Sinasabi ko sa iyan, Aliyah. And your performance today, just like Yana, it was with the heart. And I thank you for that. Maraming salamat. Congratulations to the both of you.
Galing, grabe.